So, kung kasama ko kayo, makakakuha ba ako ng discount sa Jollibee at sa McDo?
Sana kami rin.
Who are you?
I'm Saitama. Sherwin Mopia, cosplaying as Saitama.
So, speaking of One Punch Man, bakit paborito mo sa Saitama?
Kasi napakalakas niyang hero. Saka medyo kakaiba kasi siya. Comedy siya pero hindi mo akalain na gano'n pala siya kalakas.
Okay, dahil na-cosplay mo si Saitama, nagpasadya ka ba magpakalbo para sa kanya? Makosplay mo siya o talagang ganyan yung hairstyle mo?
Dinner kasi ako nung mga ka-group ko sa cosplay. So, ayun, napilitan ako magpakalbo kasi gusto daw nila mag-Saitama ako.
Nice, and it seems bagay naman.
Two Punch Man.
Xiao Yu from Tekken, right?
No.
Chun-Li. Chun-Li, right? From Street Fighter. So, real name ni Chun-Li?
Sure. Real name Cherry.
Gano'n nakatagal nagka-cosplay?
I started late last year.
Late last year. Is it Allzime Fest?
Asia Cosplay Meet.
Oh.
Started Chun-Li. I was Fate of Mirror's Edge that time.
Ilan yung nako-cosplay mong character so far?
3. I've done Bulma and then this, Chun-Li.
You're the Bulma?
Yeah, at Allzime Fest.
Nasa 9 gag?
Yeah. Etong Chun-Li. This is my all-time favorite character.
Okay, so pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng favorite pose mo ni Chun-Li?
Favorite pose? Yun, yung ganito. Kaso lang yun yung pinaka-mahirap.
I love you, Guile.
I love you.
Guile.
Guile.
Thank you. Look who I found. Saitama PH or Richard Concepcion, right?
Hello. Yes, I'm Richard Concepcion po.
And kino-cosplay niya si?
Saitama of One Punch Man.
Ano yung pakiramdam? Napapansin ka ni Alodia?
Nanginginig talaga ako, sobrang saya. Hindi ko ma-explain yung pakiramdam. Yun lang. Talagang speechless.
And so far, paano niya nabago yung buhay mo as a cosplayer?
As of now, dumami yung friends ko. I skipped from 900 to 5,000.
Wow!
That's one hell of a big number. So, medyo puno na yung account ko sa FB. So, napilitan na akong gumawa ng sarili kong page.
Swerte ko naman friend mo ako sa Facebook.
One Punch Man.
Thank you! Hello, and look who I found. It's Deadpool.
Yeah. What's my name?
Deadpool.
Yeah, Deadpool.
So, ano talagang tunay na pangalan ni Deadpool sa tunay na buhay?
Ang lupit ng con ngayon, ano? Yeah.
So, anong pangalan ni Deadpool?
Wade Wilson. Yeah.
Okay, so, who's better? Deadpool or Deathstroke?
Deadpool, of course. Deadpool all the way. Come on, you see me? Deadpool.
Why?
Because I'm Deadpool.
So, kamusta naman yung mga scenes na nakahubad ka? Masaya ba?
Let's not talk about that right now.
Hello and good day. Kasama natin dito ngayon si KFC and si Wendy's, right? Joke lang. Si Jollibee at si McDo. So, kung kasama ko kayo, makakakuha ba ako ng discount sa Jollibee at sa McDo?
Sana kami rin.
Okay, anong pangalan nila?
Andrea Cardano po.
Arian Cardano.
Matagal naman kayo nagka-cosplay? Ilang years?
First time namin yun.
First time po.
Sa host experience?
It's fun. I love it.
Masaya po, pero nakakapagod.
My real name is Audrey Giger, but I go by Skeletal Valkyrie.
You know what? I always pronounce your name as Audrey Jigger. I'm sorry.
You're not the first one, and you won't be the last, so don't worry about it.
Gano'n nakatagal nagka-cosplay si Audrey?
Apat na taon, I think.
Wow, and favorite cosplay?
That's hard. Lady Spider.
Oh, I thought it's Supergirl.
No.
So that's your best pose? Okay.
You have failed this city.
Okay, hi Tim. Thank you. Tim is not here.
I can be his replacement for today, the better one.
Look who I found! It's Lucifer from Constantine. Tama?
Near.
From?
Death Note.
Sorry. Pero para kasi si Lucifer. Anyway, ano yung ginamit mo panlabas sa damit mo? Tide? Ariel?
Ano po, yung Mr. Clean.
Mr. Clean? Oh, si Saitama ba yan? First time ba natin nag-cosplay or matagal na tayo nag-cosplay?
Matagal na, almost 1 year.
1 year. So, first cosplay natin sino?
Toby.
Toby from?
Akatsuki.
Hey, I know you.
Yes, I know you.
Lucifer, where are you?
Hell?
Okay, thank you very much. Mikasa. So, ano yung talagang pangalan mo?
Vanessa Joy Gatchalian.
First time ba natin mag-cosplay?
Yes po.
First time, first event.
No, this is my second event. We've attended previous conventions before.
Kinosplay din natin si Mikasa, right?
Hindi po. This is my first ever
Mikasa.
Mikasa cosplay.
Where's your maneuver gear?
I left it.
Huh?
I left it with my friend, at my friend.
Oh, okay. So, speaking of SNK, anong ina-expect mo sa season 2? Ang tagal, di ba? Ang tagal.
Yes, ang tagal po. Tagal na namin inaantay yun. I-expect namin doon more a revealing of secrets about sa wall, ano makikita nila. Pagkatapos nila since na-explore na nila yun sa labas, in-expect namin more battles, mga ganun. Sana ma-reveal yung secret ni Eren Yeager. More answers. I miss you, Eren.
Jeneline Castro.
So, si Jeneline Castro po ay isang businesswoman din and meron siyang cosplay shop.
Simpleng mamamayan lang.
Okay, so anong pangalan ng cosplay shop mo?
Princess Del Closet.
So yun, kung meron kayong cosplay needs, tawagan nyo lang po siya. Anyway, so sino yung kinocosplay ngayon ni Jeneline?
Si Tinkerbell.
Okay, Tinkerbell. Gaano na ba katagal nagko-cosplay si Jeneline?
3 years na po.
Yung pinakauna natin na cosplay?
Si Mirai Sunaga, summer uniform. Summer uniform version.
And so far, sino yung pinaka-favorite natin na cosplay?
Si Sailor Moon, syempre.
Oh, signature eh, ano? Okay, so, future cosplay natin.
Secret muna. Pero more on Disney. Tinkerbell!
Thank you! Valeria?
Ari!
Joke lang. Okay, so si Ari, anong pangalan talaga ni Ari?
Kay. Keiko.
Keiko. So, kay mo, kay nilang lahat. Okay, so favorite mo nating character si Ari?
Yes.
Naglalaro ka ba LOL?
No!
Oh! Anyway, gaano nakatagal nagko-cosplay si Kay?
Lagpas ng 2 years.
And,
Hindi ako active.
so, pinaka-favorite natin na cosplay?
Ari!
Ari. So, future cosplay?
Madami!
Isa lang, pinaka-favorite mo. Gustong-gusto mong i-cosplay?
Si Lightning Faron sa Final Fantasy.
Oh, okay. So, bago tayo matapos, bigyan mo naman ako ng best pose or favorite pose mo ni Ari. World of Warcraft.
World of Warcraft!
Kakashi, right?
Nope. Jiraya.
Okay. So, ano real name ni Jiraya?
Di ko sure.
No, real name mo.
Full name ko, JC Marasigan.
Ah, okay. First time ba natin nag-cosplay?
Nope. It's been my 4th time na i-cosplay si Jiraya.
Gaano nakatagal nagko-cosplay?
1 year.
1 year. And so far, bukod kay Jiraya, sino pa yung naka-cosplay mo?
Sa Stains Gate, si Hoin Kyomo.
And favorite cosplay mo so far?
Jiraya.
Jiraya. Why?
Although, hindi naman ako tulad niya sa attitude na, alam mo, natuwa lang ako sa kanya.
Joke lang.
Kasi medyo kwela siya, gano'n. Hindi siya yung parang pure na serious type ng anime character. Tapos, pagka napapanood siya sa Naruto, parang natutuwa talaga ako. Kasi, maliban sa cool siya, meron siyang ibang side na yun nga, medyo perp, tapos
Kumbaga complete package, no?
oo, di ba? Malakas, tapos maginoo, medyo bastos.
Approve! Nag-cosplay din ako dati ng Jiraya, so approve. Tsunade. Where are you? Thank you. Hello, I'm here with the Soldiers of Fortune, right?
Yes.
Hello, okay, so saan kayo mga bansa galing?
US.
Russia.
US. US too. US. Former USSR. Now Russia.
Okay, so pag pinaglaban kayo ng Street Fighter, saka kayo may magagawa ba? Sila or kayo?
The power of US, they cannot stand the power of our atomic bombs.
Okay.
Obliteration.
Okay.
Overpower.
So ngayon, kapag kasama, o kung kasama ko ba kayo, sigurado ba ako na safe ako?
Yes. It's our job to protect our motherland.
Magkano minimum yung sweldo?
Voluntary work. Voluntary.
Akala ko pa naman mga mercenary kayo. Anyway, gaano nakatagal nagko-cosplay?
Magsi-7.
3 years.
5 years. 5 years to? 1 year. 2 years.
Chrome.
Yes.
Anong real name ni Chrome?
Chrome the Chrome.
Gaano nakatagal nagko-cosplay?
Almost 4 years, I think. Yeah.
Wow. First nating na cosplay.
That would be this one as well. Chrome.
Favorite cosplay?
That would be Kuroko, I think.
Kuroko? Wow, nice. And tell me about your costume. You made it?
No, I bought it from a friend who wanted it out, so I bought it.
Thank you.
So, kasama ko ngayon yung cosplay group ng Death Note na pinangungunahan ni Jovit.
Light Yagami.
Ryuk.
Nier. L.
Misa Amane.
Okay. So, one question. Anong brand ng apple nyo?
Juicy.
Nakakain ba yan o yan ba yung display sa ref?
Display sa ref.
Ano nakatagal nagko-cosplay?
5 years.
2 years. 1 year.
Mag 1 year.
Ito 2 years.
Favorite nyong na-cosplay?
Kurumi Tokisaki.
Grateful Booster. Nintendo.
Death Note.
Natsu Dragnit.
Natsu Dragon. Okay. Future cos plan?
Takasumi.
Juzu. Crowley.
Illidan.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter, syempre.
Pikachu, right?
No, Umbreon.
From Pokemon?
Yeah, Jijinka Umbreon.
What's that?
Sa evolution ni Eve.
Okay. So, gano'n na ba katagal nagko-cosplay si Treb?
2 years na.
Favorite cosplay ni Treb?
Anbo Kakashi.
Syempre. Future cos plan?
Gusto ko na Hokage. Hokage yung Ashi.
Hokage ka ba?
Hindi.
I'm gonna be the next Hokage.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Zero Ventanilla.
And kino-cosplay niya si Green Arrow, right?
Consistent. Actually, I was cosplaying Arrow since season 1, so I have a costume din nung first seasons ng Arrow. And,
So basically, meron kang dark side costume ni... Wow!
and I also have a cosplay group ng Arrow.
Team Arrow. Team Arrow.
Team Arrow.
Oh, okay. Nasaan sila?
Actually, si Deathstroke nagagala, tas yung canary namin is absent, so... actually, planning kong gumawa ng Jay Garrick from Flash naman.
Jay Garrick.
Yeah.
The Millennium.
Yeah.
Okay. So, speaking of Arrow, ano yung nakikita mong kahihinat na season 4?
Season 4, ang hiwala kong mamatay is either yung anak ni Oliver or yung baby mama niya.
Baby nino?
Baby mama. Yung nanay ni William, if ever na hindi patay na talaga si yung nanay ni William.
Actually, hindi yung kutog ko, yung anak niya. Kasi tinuro ni Malcolm Merlin, di ba? Well, anyway, bigyan mo naman ako ng favorite post mo kay Arrow.
You have failed this city.
Thank you very much.
Well, I am here with Yamashita, right?
Yes.
Okay, so kino-cosplay ni Tampoposi?
Ano ako ngayon? Inawoods ako ngayon. Operator.
Kapag ba hiner kita as my personal guard, papaprotektahan mo ba ako sa dami ng weapon mo?
Depende kung anong klaseng threat yan.
Nambubuli sa school. Kaya ba?
Pwede naman, kayang-kaya yun.
Pumuputok ba to?
Hindi yan puputok. Gawa lang yan sa papel at cardboard.
Oh, nice.
Kasi nga, gun ban ngayon, bawal ang baril.
Yan ba ginamit mo ng last year, yung New Year?
Hindi naman. Mas malaki rito.
Malakas pumutok?
Oo.
Nice.
So, ang problema nga lang, kulay brown. Pura.
Okay. So sa mga weapon mo, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo sa mga weapon mo dyan?
SR-25.
Alin dyan? Pakita mo.
Wala rito.
Hindi, dito sa mga dala mo. Alin?
The best gun, M16.
M16. Ako si M16 at your service. Yung ba yan?
Oo.
Venom, right?
I think you must be mistaken. I'm Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, I'm sorry. So, anong pangalan ni Spider-Man?
Pete, as in Peter. You can just remove the letter R. Pete Mendoza.
Wow. Is it a coincidence or what?
Well, I don't know. Maybe it's just a coincidence.
What can you say about the Avengers?
Well, the Avengers, Well, they're one of.
Are you a member of Avengers?
Well, unfortunately not. Venom, you're next.
Thank you.
Captain Cold, right?
No.
You're Jack Frost.
Yes.
Real name ng Jack Frost.
John Edric A. Mateo.
Okay, and matagal na ba siya nagko-cosplay?
1 year. 1 year pa lang.
1 year and so far, sino yung na-cosplay natin bukod kay Jack Frost?
Eren Titan from Attack on Titan.
You mean yung Titan form?
Yes.
Nagsuot ka ba ng ano or naghubad ka ano?
Nagsuot ako ng spandex and na-paint siya. And yung 3D na paint yun.
Maliwalas pa sa pakiramdam.
Oo, kaso kailangan mo-conceal yung dapat mo-conceal eh. I love you, Elsa.
Who are you?
Natsume from Natsume Yochincho.
Real name?
Benson. Ben.
Benson Cheng, right?
Yeah, Ben short.
Belated. Kaka-birthday mo lang, right?
Yeah, right. Yesterday. Thank you.
Anong handa?
This one?
Okay. So, gano'n na ba katagal nagko-cosplay si Benson Cheng?
4 years. 4 years. I've been cosplaying for 4 years.
Okay, and pinaka-favorite mo na cosplay?
Si Apollo Justice from Ace Attorney.
Future cosplan?
Future cosplan, High Wizard from Ragnarok Online. This character, yeah.
Meow meow.
Meow meow.
Look who I found! Beauty and the Beast, right? No.
No.
Okay. Kasama natin si Remy and si Kato. Kino-cosplay nila si?
Sebastian Michaelis.
And Shell Robin or Shell Phantom Hive.
Kato, tell me something about your costume. Ginawa mo ba yan? Binili mo ba? Ano ba?
Oh, I made this costume passionately.
Wow. How about yung costume ni Remy?
Ako rin gumawa.
Wow. Stig! So, kanina pa ba kayo dito o ngayon lang?
Lahat naman ng costume ko siyang gumawa.
Kanina pa kami dito. Sinagot mo yung tanong.
Kanina pa kami
kanina.
Okay, so far, so good naman.
Crowded so nakakapagod. Tapos hindi pa komportable sa costume ko.
Nag-ano kasi kami ng mga clients eh. Nag-meet up.
So business as usual?
Business as usual. So medyo nakaka-hinder sa, sa fun.
Okay, so anyway, since nabanggit nyo na rin yan, plug mo naman yung cosplay shop mo.
Misha Min Shop po. Pangalan ng shop ko. I'm Faye.
And kino-cosplay ni Facey?
Cruel. Awareness Seraph.
Awareness Seraph. Okay, matagal naman nagka-cosplay si Faye?
Almost 3 years.
3 years, and first nating na-cosplay?
Luis of, Rika Takanashi.
Okay, and future cosplan?
Future cosplan, Pikachu.
Cute. Favorite nating na-cosplay so far?
Yuna of Final Fantasy.
May nakapagsabi na ba sa'yo na kamukha, medyo hawig mo si Rufa, may ganyan, no?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.